In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload images, videos, PDFs, PowerPoints, documents, and other files to your Google Drive with your smartphone. Hi, this is Neil Tan here. Now next, let us go and open the Google Drive. It will look something like this. So for my case, it's empty. For your case, you might have a few files. Now most important thing is I'm going to first show you how to upload images. Okay, let's first tap on this plus icon. And you can see there is an upload option here. Tap on upload. Here you can see photos and videos. You're going to tap on that. Okay, here you will see all your images and your photos in your photo library. So here you can select all your photos. Either you want to select one or two, or you want to select all of them. So for my case, I'm going to upload all these three images at the same time. Then next, I'm going to tap on upload, and you can see it is uploading. Once the upload is done, next let us upload a video. Let's tap on this plus icon here. Same thing, tap on the upload button here. Next, we're going to tap on the photos and videos. Then here you can see all your videos in your video library. So here I'm going to upload any videos. So let's say I'm going to choose this video here. I'm going to select this and upload it, and you can see it is uploading. So you can upload your images, your photos, and as well as your video. Now next, let's say if you have PDF files, or you have PowerPoints, or Microsoft Words, or your docs, or your files, or any files, let us tap on this plus icon. Here, same thing, we're going to tap on the upload button here. And now we're going to tap on browse. Here you can see all your files, your PDFs, your PowerPoint slides. Like this one is my PowerPoint slide. This one is my PDF file. So let's say I'm going to upload my PowerPoint slide. I'm going to tap on this. And you can see my PowerPoint presentation slide would upload to Google Drive. Now let's say if you want to share any of these files, it could be your image, it could be your PowerPoint slide, it could be your video. Now let's say I'm going to share my PowerPoint slide. All I got to do is just tap on these three little dots here. You can see there, each files, they have these three little dots. So I'm going to tap on the three little dots for my PowerPoint slides. You can see this 101 next presentation slides tutorial. Next is I'm going to tap on the share option here. Tap on share. And here you can key in your friends, your colleague, your boss, your customer's email address here. Okay. Example, I'm going to put in 101demo@gmail.com like this. And next, if you want to share it as a link, let's say if you do not want to send them to their email, you can tap on the three little dots. And here, you can see copy link. You can tap on the copy link. And now you can use this link to share it on your social media. You can share it on your WhatsApp. You can share it anywhere. Okay, you can put the link in your PDF. You can put the link in your PowerPoint slides. You can put your link in your email, or you can even put your link in a QR code. Alright, actually I have a few videos that talk about how you can generate a QR code, how you can put the links in the QR code, how you can shorten the link, and etc. Alright, so if you like to learn and discover more of this kind of video, please do consider to subscribe and follow all my social media platforms, whether it's on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will receive notification whenever I upload new videos. Alright, so that is all for this video. This is 101, and I'll see you in the next one.